Hi guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is a DIY fall decor for under $20 type challenge. This was so much fun to do, and it was in collaboration with 3 really amazing and talented ladies here on YouTube. It was with Angie from Life by Angie, who did a really awesome DIY fall sign. Rigena from Home Sweep Home, who made this gorgeous DIY centerpiece. And Jessica from Measure and Mix, who made this adorable fabric plaid pumpkin. All of our projects were DIYs, and the only rule was we had to keep it under 20 bucks, and we could add anything from nature. So after you watch my video, please go check out their beautiful projects. I'll have them all linked below. So for mine, I wanted to try to do a fall vignette. I shopped some local garage sales, Goodwill, the dollar store, and Michael's. I found this glass jar that to me looked like a pumpkin for only 75 cents, and this owl candle holder for $1, but it was only 50 cents because it was the last day of her garage sale. This pumpkin was $1.99 at Goodwill. And I didn't end up using all of these items for this project, just the candle holder that I ended up repurposing and the wood box. I was going to have it say Happy Fall, but it just didn't look right when I was done, so I scratched that idea. The paint you can get for $1 at any craft store. I used it to paint the word fall on this pumpkin, but as you will see, I am not a painter. I wanted to tone down the black because it just seemed a little bit harsh with everything else. Here I was making a DIY pumpkin with twine and toilet paper. I found this idea on Sarah Dawn Designs blog. I'll link it below so you can check it out. If I were to do this one again, I would use a more cloth-like twine because mine frayed a lot and got really difficult to pull through towards the end. I ended up moving my project into the living room so that I could work on it while watching a movie with my family. Something came up while I was working on my pumpkin, so I had to finish it the next day. I ended up just cutting and gluing smaller pieces of twine because I couldn't pull it through the hole anymore because it was so frayed. I really like those baskets and boxes that you can get that are already pre-done at like Hobby Lobby or Home Goods, but they're really expensive. So I'm going to try and do one on my own. I ended up taking the candle holder that I got from the garage sale and just scraped out the wax and washed it up. I used that to hold the flowers and some pine cones. The flowers and the little decor sticks are from Michael's. They were on sale for only $2.99. And the pumpkin stick was from Michael's and was also on sale for $1.79. The green pumpkin I got from the Dollar Tree, and the pine cones are from my in-laws' yard. is how I decorated with everything that I made. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you can get the twine at Walmart, Joann Fabrics, or Michaels. Usually they start around $2 depending on the size roll that you get. And here is my husband's contribution to my project. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and don't forget to head on over to the other ladies' channels and tell them I sent you. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.